Hello, what's up you guys, it's David. Today I've got the key to the new electric Niro. As usual, we have a look at the exterior, the interior, and some amazing new features of this brand new model. Now let's have a look. Now, of course, everything has been redesigned on this new model. Let's start with the front of the car. So we got a new headlight design. We've got a gloss black and chrome detailing at the front. The charging infrastructure of the car is at the front. As usual, you got AC and DC charging capabilities. We've got a gloss black finishing to the sides of the car, and also a gloss black roof bar is available. And of course also the rear of the car is also redesigned as expected. So we've got the same gloss black and chrome detailing at the rear bumper. And also a new feature of the new model of the Niro is the boomerang design of the rear lights. If you look closely, you can see a gap between the light and the car itself. Now, the reason that Kia does it apparently is for aerodynamic reasons, so to make the car more efficient. Alright, let's have a look at the back seat now. The possibility to put your seats down for some more room. You've got an armrest with two cup holders. It's quite spacious. Electric windows. Some sort of a cup holder on the door. And you got also two USB ports. Those are integrated right into the seats. That's pretty cool. Air vents for the passengers. And some storage room for some books perhaps. We've got a smart key function for the doors. Now those seats are finished in half leather, so you've got fabric on the middle of the seats and you've got leather to the sides of it. But of course, in a higher execution, you've got full leather seats. I like the layout. It feels quite spacious. It feels futuristic. All right, let's close the door. So on the left side, you've got the buttons to use your windows, the buttons to adjust your mirrors, of course. And on the left side of the dashboard, you've got 3 more buttons. So basically, the middle one is to open and close the trunk from the inside. And the right button is, of course, the ESP system. If I'm not mistaken, it's the same steering wheel from the Kia EV6, so it's the same layout, the same design. On the left side of the steering wheel, you've got your adaptive cruise control system, your lane following assist, and of course the button to work out in the digital cluster. And on the right side, of course, the buttons to use the infotainment system. Behind the steering wheel, you've got those 2 pedals. In most electric cars, you have the possibility to adjust the regenerative braking system. So those are also those functions. Let's put it in drive. And normally you can see on the right side of the cluster that the braking system gets adjusted. And you see you've got the 1 pedal function as well. The central console, you've got some storage room, an armrest, 2 cup holders, electronic handbrake with auto hold function, heated steering wheel with heated seats, and of course the camera, but normally when you put it in reverse, the camera also turns on. Okay. Wireless charging of your phone. Voila. And of course some connections, USB ports, and so on. Then we got something quite new in the cars of Kia. So you've got a digital interface, as they call it. So basically this screen turns from the infotainment system to your climate control. It's a dual zone and you can also put it in automatic. Alright, let's have a look at the infotainment system. So, as I said, it's a fully touchscreen. Or you can use those buttons beneath the screen, of course. So, let's open EV. What you can see is some basic information in regard with the battery status of the car. So, you see the status of the battery, 63%. How far you can drive it with the EC on and off. So, let's turn this, for example, on maximum, and normally you can see that the range of the car get adjusted as well. So that's some pretty cool information. You've got the map. Let's zoom it out. Navigation, you can connect your phone with Bluetooth as well as CarPlay, of course. The glove box. And this model is also equipped with an open roof, so you can open the roof as well. Alright, let's take the car out for a quick spin. Safety first, of course. Alright. Alright, so let's put the car in sport mode. 0 to 100, let's go. Look at this, guys, we've got a beautiful Aston Martin in front of us. I'm wondering who will be faster.